September 18, 1976, a few minutes past midnight. The city of Tehran in Iran lay silent. But breaking that silence, a mysterious light began to appear in the sky. It was not a star. It was not an aircraft. It was the beginning of one of the most confirmed and terrifying UFO incidents in human history. This is not mere fiction. This is a real experience confirmed by classified reports from the U.S. Defense Intelligence Agency, DIA, and witnessed firsthand by hundreds of Air Force personnel. This incident, corroborated by pilot reports, radar data, and official U.S. government documents, is considered a landmark in the study of unidentified flying objects. Around 12:30 a.m., telephone calls began flooding into the Air Traffic Control Center from residents of Tehran. They reported seeing an extremely bright, bird-shaped object hovering in the sky. Some described it as a helicopter, but no helicopters were airborne at that time. The commander of the Iranian Air Force, Yousefi, acted immediately. He ordered an F-4 Phantom II jet to be dispatched from Shahroki Air Base. Pilot Nazari steered his aircraft towards the UFO. It was clearly visible even from 70 miles away, but as he approached within 25 nautical miles, something unexpected occurred. All of his aircraft's instruments suddenly failed. Radio communication, radar, everything went silent. He found it difficult to control the aircraft. Faced with this situation, Nazari immediately turned back towards the airbase. Surprisingly, as he moved away from the object, all of his aircraft's systems returned to normal. After the failure of the first aircraft, a second F-4 jet took off at 1:40 a.m. This time, the pilot was Major Parviz Jafari, an experienced aviator. His radar screen showed the object at a range of 27 nautical miles. Its size was comparable to a Boeing KC-135 tanker aircraft. What Jafari saw, he would never forget. The object was rapidly flashing with blue, green, red, and orange lights. This light pattern was so fast that all colors could be seen simultaneously. He attempted to approach it, but the object possessed a speed impossible for human technology. It consistently maintained a distance of 25 nautical miles. Suddenly, a small, luminous object separated from the main UFO. It moved directly and rapidly towards Jafari's aircraft. Believing it to be a missile, Jafari attempted to activate his Sidewinder missile. However, the moment he pressed the button to fire the missile, his weapon control panel completely failed. Communication systems also ceased to function. He felt as if he was facing imminent death, but the object did not collide with the aircraft. It circled the aircraft and then returned to the main object, rejoining it. Was this merely a mechanical malfunction? Or did the extraterrestrial craft deliberately disable Jafari's weapons system? This question remains unanswered to this day. Another luminous object separated from the main craft and slowly moved towards the ground. Jafari observed it. It landed near a dry lake bed, not far from Tehran. He expected a large explosion, but nothing of the sort occurred. He saw the object slowly descend to the ground, emitting a bright light that illuminated an area of about 2 to 3 kilometers. The next morning, Jafari and his team went to investigate the area by helicopter. They found no wreckage of any aircraft. However, residents of the area reported hearing a loud noise and seeing a bright flash of light, like lightning, that night. Another surprising fact was the detection of unusual radio signals, beeper signals, from that area. Following this incident, a 4-page classified report was prepared by Colonel Roland Evans of the U.S. Defense Intelligence Agency, DIA. The report classified this incident as outstanding, meaning extremely significant. It stated the speed and maneuverability of this UFO were beyond the capabilities of any known human aircraft. How it managed to disable the jet's systems remains a mystery. Radar data indicated that the object instantly moved several miles away. The pilots of the F-4 aircraft reported that communication and instrument systems returned to normal when they moved away from the object, and failed again when they approached it. This challenges even the laws of physics. Some suggest that this was a misinterpretation by the pilots who saw the planet Jupiter. Others claim it was a meteor shower. Critics like Philip J. Klass pointed out that the first F-4 aircraft had a history of electrical system malfunctions, and that pilot fatigue and stress might have led to misinterpretations. But can Jupiter disable a jet's radar system or weapons system? The answer is no. The argument of mechanical malfunction also fails here. The simultaneous occurrence of the same type of malfunctions in two aircraft cannot be a coincidence. So what was it? Was it an advanced military technology unknown to us, or was it a craft from another world? The 1976 Tehran incident remains an unresolved mystery in world history. It reminds us that perhaps we are not alone in this universe. Whatever happened in the Tehran sky that night, it is clear that it was far beyond our technology and understanding. Perhaps the truth lies among the stars we have yet to discover. The secret of the Tehran sky remains a secret.